Okay, let's get started then. Hopefully everybody can see my screen. So welcome everyone to today's webinar entitled Building Modern Business Applications with Visual LANSA. My name is Eugene King, and I'm a senior sales engineer here at LANSA with over 28 years of experience using the various LANSA toolsets. So in this webinar, I want to explore the benefits of modern application development tools. I will also examine how Visual LANSA is designed to address those limitations by looking at how it can improve efficiency, how it can improve flexibility, and how it can decrease the time to market to deliver your applications. We'll also look at specific features of the latest release of Visual LANSA and how they can help to develop cutting-edge applications that meet your organizational needs. Okay, so let's get started. So in today's fast evolving business environment, the way that we develop and deploy and manage applications is undergoing a significant transformation. The shift from traditional monolithic systems to more agile, scalable, and cloud-ready applications is kind of reshaping how organizations operate and compete. A business needs to adapt to these new demands. Traditional development approaches often struggle to keep pace. Now, these legacy methods can be slow, they can be very resource intensive, and they can be very difficult to scale. And this will lead to inefficiencies and delayed project timelines. Many companies find themselves hindered by these outdated approaches, unable to fully capitalize on emerging opportunities. Now, businesses in various industries are pushing software solutions deeper and deeper into their operations to streamline work processes and upgrade customer experience to accelerate their growth. For example of this, in the retail, especially in the e-commerce, companies like Amazon, everybody knows Amazon, they have developed an AI-driven recommendation engine and a cloud-based warehousing management system to optimize their logistics and customer personalization. These tools have improved the fulfillment speeds, inventory management, and customer satisfaction, which has led to their significant growth. And this shift is not just a trend. It has become a necessity for businesses that face rising competition and increasing demand for efficient services for those customers. Faster application development using low-code tools and the ability to run applications on multiple devices is becoming core to this approach. It is becoming a necessity. So let's start with low code first. It's really shifted from a niche solution to a mainstream method for creating business applications. It has transformed application development drastically and reduced the complexity, time, and effort required to build and deploy a modern application. This shift is enabling organizations to innovate faster, reduce their costs, and adapt more easily to the changing business needs. So these following statistics are a little outdated, but hopefully it'll serve to illustrate the growth of the low-code tools. So according to Gartner, the global market for low-code development technologies was predicted to reach 26.9 billion in 2023. The actual value was 33.9 billion. So it is up considerably, a little bit more than the 19% increase. But this reflects the increasing requirement for fast, agile development that matches the rapidly changing needs of the business. There is an explosive development in the low-code market, And as per the Gartner's low-code predictions, this global market is supposed to reach a value of over $50 billion by the year 2026. And I think it's going to be a lot higher than that. This surge highlights the growing recognition of low-code platforms as essential tools to reduce development time, to lower a company's costs, and improve the company's flexibility. Another contributing factor is this cross-platform compatibility, ensuring that an app can run across different platforms, whether that's Windows, iOS, macOS, on Android or Linux, or different devices like mobile phones, tablets, or desktops, without compromising performance or user experience is crucial to today's diverse technological ecosystems. This is because it allows an organization to reach a wider audience, as different users prefer different platforms. For instance, some users favor Android, while others iOS, and many businesses rely on Windows or even macOS desktops. Now, a cross-platform app can reach a broader audience by supporting these multiple systems. It also provides a more consistent user experience across all those devices. And a consistent UI, UX, that's user interface, user experience, design, enhances the usability and helps users transition smoothly between using those different devices. On the development side, maintaining an application is easier as there is a single code base, so updates and fixes can be made centrally and rolled out to all the platforms simultaneously. So these are just a few advantages to this development approach. And according to a Statista poll, cross-platform compatibility is one of the top 3 goals of all SaaS developers in 2023. Now, this high percentage reflects the demand for applications that can reach a broader audience while minimizing the cost and effort of developing these multiple versions of the same app. So there are a number of challenges now that are faced by traditional development approaches. So the traditional development approaches, such as waterfall and custom hand coding, face several challenges in today's fast-paced and agile-focused business development environment. And these challenges hinder the ability to meet the increasing demand for rapid and flexible application delivery. So for traditional development tools, they often require specialized skills, meaning that organizations need to hire developers proficient in not one, not 2, but multiple languages. They have to do the front end, you have to do the back end, you have to be able to do database management. And all of this drives up the costs. As many of you know, traditional coding methods can be incredibly complex. And because of that, it can take longer to develop, to test, and deploy your applications. For businesses that operate in a competitive market, this delay can be critical. They risk losing their competitive edge when new features or products take too long to reach the market. And on top of that, the long feedback loops and extensive coding cycles tend to slow down the overall process even more. So as we continue to see rapid technological advancements and rising customer expectations, traditional development methods are finding it harder to keep up. These methods simply don't have the flexibility to adapt quickly enough, creating a lag between what's needed and what is actually delivered.